Hi there, students. Groom. A groom, a noun. To groom, a verb. And grooming, this is probably another noun as well. Okay, groom has various meanings. I think the first meaning I think of is the bride and groom at a wedding. The bride is the girl and the groom is the man. So a groom is a man who's going to get married. Yeah, it's the man at the wedding. A groom can also be a person who looks after horses. Yeah, it's like a stable servant. This is somebody who brushes the horses. Yeah, they feed them, they exercise them, they brush them, they muck them out. Yeah. So a groom, yeah, it's somebody who looks after the horse, but the person who physically looks after it. And this is related to the verb to groom, to make look nice, to clean and brush, to care for your appearance, to make neat and trim. So he groomed himself carefully in front of the mirror. Grooming, making sure your hair is clean and in place, that your nails are clean, etc. This is you groom yourself, yeah? But you also groom an animal. The cat sat by the fire and groomed itself with its tongue, licking itself again and again to make its fur look perfect. Okay, so that's to groom as well. You can also use this verb to groom, meaning to prepare somebody for a specific position or a specific purpose. The party are grooming him to become Prime Minister one day. His father is grooming his son to take over the family business at some point in the future. The boss is grooming this employee to take this responsibility. So it's to prepare somebody for a specific position or a specific purpose. Nowadays, we also have the concept of sexual grooming. Grooming is an offence. It's to make friends or try to gain the confidence of a young person with the intention of either with the intention of abusing them, with the intention of sexually abusing them, or having a physical meeting with them and then to abuse them in other ways as well. Okay, so grooming, getting a child ready so that you can do illegal, immoral sexual acts with a child. So it's got this idea of to prepare for a specific purpose. Also, notice you can use to groom in skiing. You have a ski slope and they groom the snow, they flatten the snow down so that it's easy to ski on. And that's another meaning of to groom. Okay, so we've got a bridegroom, the person who's going to get married. We've got the person who's responsible for feeding and exercising horses. Yeah? To groom, to maintain and clean an animal, or to make yourself neat and attractive. He was impeccably groomed. To prepare somebody or get them ready for a specific objective. He was being groomed as a presidential candidate. Yeah? Okay, so groom. Various different meanings. Notice as well, to groom is a regular verb. He groomed himself for hours. He has groomed himself for a long time. Okay, so the groom. What about origin? Well, the meaning of a bridegroom, I think this comes from um, an earlier word, Grom, and I think the Grom comes from Old English Guma, a man hero. Okay, so yeah, in the wedding, I guess the man is the hero and the wife is the bride is the heroine. As in the other meaning, the groom who cares for horses. You've got a Middle English word grom meaning a boy or a youth, and it's probably related to a Dutch word grom boy or Old Icelandic gromnir, a man or a manservant or a boy. Okay, so it's probably got a Proto-Germanic root. Formality. I think, yeah, in just about all of these, it's neutral formality, and I think you could use this word just about anywhere. Okay, so to groom, a bridegroom, a groom who looks after a horse. They're grooming him for this position. He's been grooming his hair in the mirror since the sun came up. To groom a ski slope by packing it down. To groom a child, to gain their trust with the intention of abusing them or exploiting them. Okay, so to groom, lots of meanings. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Groom.